Okay, I'm back. Was a small pause, needed to sort some stuff out at home. So let's see. Why this data actually gets captured here? So does it mean like I have to use something over there with the state and do something like that? Probably let state movable state equal some state, and it should be a mutable value. Then I could do something like that. So here I can set mutable state take and it should be unwrapped. Okay, so this should work apparently. Okay, that's great. Then I need to set movable state equal to some state. Okay, so seems like this kind of a trick should work with Rust compiler. Yeah, great, it actually worked. So okay, at least something. Value for parameters mismatch here. So now at least I receive a proper value for the error. But yeah, a little bit of gymnastics with wrapping variables in Rust in order to be able to iterate over the loop. Yeah, this is crazy. Okay. Can we see what's going on there? So let's go on and modify more stuff. So now I basically need to implement this functionality over here. So when we execute a statement, here, what's important, right? So right now we just return back a connected version, but we don't process a case when something wrong is happening. Yeah, something wrong we probably don't care right now. But what's important is basically if we have any rows. So we need to check if result has is empty or not. Which one I needed to actually do? Let's see. I actually wanted to see the next implementation. So what happens here has rows. Okay. If it doesn't have rows and it doesn't have more results, then it's actually an empty. So I can just specify if is empty, then we just gonna return back this one. Otherwise, we're gonna return as well as the same just to make it pass. So let's see if it still compiles. Yeah, it compiles and it runs. Yeah, and of course it fails. But you know what I didn't do yet? I actually didn't validate what is the expected result should be. So the expected result is gonna be something like events equal to a vector of such results. So it should be event result set with columns. So the vector of columns, and the first column should be a new name is gonna be what? It's gonna be variable. And what's gonna be a type hint? The type hint is gonna be type hint bytes. Oh, the type hint should be here as a second argument. Okay. The second one should be sum, and the sum based on this one is gonna be int, and then it's gonna be multiply, and multiply should be which type? Float, probably. Float or double, but it doesn't matter. It's probably gonna be just the float. Okay, great. Variable sum or multiply. Let's run it. Okay. Statement params mismatch. Yeah, because right now actually I don't do anything about params. But let's finish the test itself first. Here we're gonna have a result row, and here I'm gonna create an event. Oh yeah, I'm gonna create value Okay. Why it doesn't work with bytes? Okay, and can I specify something special here? Like this. The same actually thing that I received. I had this that time. Then I also expect the value int, and it's gonna be a sum of 2 plus 2, and it should be equal to 4. And then it's gonna be another type as well, and it's gonna be a float, and it should be a float value of 6. 6.0, yeah. Result row, okay, should be enough, and the last one should be result end. So as soon as there's no more results to parse, we're just gonna go on for the next stage, right? Okay, so it should be basically it, right? It should be result row being returned like that. Let's see what actually happens with our inquiry result. This is a little bit interesting. So I don't have possibility to see how many records are there. Okay. For each some row, map and drop, reduce. Yeah, this is pity. What if I just wanna access actual results? What if I just wanna do that one? What do I do in this case? Okay, let's see. A bunch of stuff here happening. Yeah, I think I'll try it out the next time. I think I will need to write some kind of a wraparound. Results. Yeah, this is pity. This is very pity. Like, I just want to access a result as raw value. I don't want to. Oh, yeah. So okay. Loop. It goes through stuff. It has a result. Set meta. Okay. It matches columns. Great. If more result exists. It's terrible. How do I know? Like, I just want to access connection. That's so pity. How do I access columns itself? Like, this is more important for me. Like, if columns are unknown, it's gonna be quite tough for me. So collect and drop. Okay. Select full bar will produce with two result sets. Okay. And one can use to make sure that there is no more result set. Okay. It will use reduce. So what it tells me that there is a possibility when the next is invoked, right? So this is terrible. Okay. So it reads a packet with supplied columns. Okay, so the columns are actually provided for me and through an atomic reference counter, so I can access them read-only. But I probably cannot access those metadata columns, right? Can I access the result set meta? Let's see. Can I access that one? Set pending result, read packet. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'll need to investigate it later off stream and see what I can do about it. I think there should be a way to just switch from multiple result sets and do stuff. Okay, thanks everyone for joining the stream. I'll see you next time and have a good day.